In this video, we'll show you how to fix game crashing on PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the middle of a game and it suddenly crashed to the home screen. But I'll walk you through the most common and effective fixes. The first and most important step is to make sure everything is fully updated. First, check the game itself. From your home screen, highlight the game that's crashing, press the options button, and select check for update. Next, let's check your system software. Go to settings, system software update in settings, and here go ahead and update your console. So corrupted temporary files can cause crashes. Clearing the cache and rebuilding the database are two safe and powerful tools to fix this. Turn your PS5 off completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep to enter the save mode. Connect your controller with a USB cable. From the save mode menu, select clear cache and rebuild database, and here try option 1, clear system software and cache. Your PS5 will restart, and if that doesn't work, go back into save mode again, and this time select rebuild database. Now if your console is overheating, it can cause games to crash. Make sure your PS5 is in the open with at least 4 inches of space on all sides. Ensure it's not on a carpet. If only one specific game is crashing, the game's installation files might be corrupted. From your home screen, highlight the game, press the options button, and select delete. After it's deleted, go to your game library and download it again. And that's it.